Ever since the day that you went away.
Happy birthday to you. Let's go.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bill. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po. Love you, love you. Bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
More birthdays to come!
Birthdays to come!
Happy birthday, Ninong Melvin!
Happy birthday, Ninong Melvin!
Happy birthday, Melvin! Enjoy your special day.
Bawasan pagiging mahilang nilalang. Laban lang, laban.
Hi, Vin! Surprise! Pasensya ka na. Hindi ako sanay sa mga ganito. So, paano? Happy birthday na lang. Sana in time, mabaul ulit tayo. Yung magkasama-sama tayo noon, kagaya dati. I love you. I miss you.
Hi, Melvin! Happy birthday! Kumusta? Tagal na natin hindi nagkita. Pero, kahit di tayo nakikita, alam mo na nandito lang ako lagi para sa inyo ni Ate Nemo. At wish ko ngayong birthday mo ay maging masaya ka. At keep moving to achieve your dreams. Alam kong deserve mo na maging masaya. Dahil sa lahat ng mga pagsubok nyo, lahat ng mga pagsubok na pinagdaanan natin, nagdaanan mo ng Ate Nemo, nung maliit ka pa, at hanggang ngayon, na maliit ka pa rin. Joke lang. Joke lang. Alam ko na you deserve to be happy. Happy birthday. God bless you. Keep safe and wish you all the best. Okay? Happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Happy 40th birthday to the very special person who's close to my heart. Wishing you all the success, joy, prosperity, and happiness in the world, because you are the best. Again, happy 40th birthday to my very special, yet so important person in my life. I love you and I miss you so much. Enjoy your natal day. God bless.
What's up, bro? Happy birthday. Hope your special day brings you all that your heart desires. We're wishing you a day all of pleasant surprises. God bless you. More birthdays to come. I miss you.
Hi, Ben. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. Salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa mga pamangkin mo, sa ate mo, habang wala pa ako dyan sa Pinas. Lagi lang matatag. Lahat ng pagsubok, lahat yan may mga solusyon sa buhay. Be strong and always pray to God. God bless. Then, baka next year makauwi na ako. Kasi mahirap pa yung biyahe namin dahil puro private pa gawa ng pandemic. God bless you, Ben. Enjoy your birthday. Bye.
Birthday, Tito. Love you.
Calm down with every